Hey, what's up guys? Tanvir here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are going to learn Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is a raster graphics editor developed and published by Adobe Inc. for Windows and Mac OS. It's the most popular and mostly used photo and graphics editing software in the world. It was originally created in 1988 by Thomas and John Knoll. Photoshop is available in a total of 26 languages. Next, how much does Photoshop cost? There are different Adobe Photoshop plans to choose from. Photoshop will bill monthly at $20 per month, or you can get a Creative Cloud All Apps plan. Check the Adobe website for more details. Now, why do you need to learn Photoshop? Most people of the world have multiple social media accounts or own a business today. Or for many reasons, we need to edit our photos, social media posts, stories, or business graphics. In that case, we need Photoshop. You can create your own company logo, flyer, business card, website mockup, edit your photos, social media posts, stories, and many more by yourself using Photoshop. Now, most importantly, Photoshop can help you to get a job. Many jobs require Photoshop skills, and this is especially true with design roles such as graphic designer, web designer, or user interface designer. In the next video, I will introduce you to Photoshop tools and panels. Now, if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. I'll get back to you soon, guys. Now stay focused and keep learning.